Welcome to Easy Tech Lab. If you're using Windows 11, you might have encountered some annoying errors that affect your productivity and overall experience. But don't worry. In this video, we're going to cover the top 5 most common Windows 11 errors and give you simple, easy to follow steps to fix them. Whether your computer is running slow, you're dealing with the infamous blue screen of death, or having issues with updates or audio, we've got solutions for you. So grab your laptop, and let's get started. Step 1. One of the most common complaints from Windows 11 users is slow performance and freezing. This can happen for several reasons. Sometimes, too many programs are running in the background, consuming system resources and slowing things down. Other times, outdated or incompatible drivers can cause your system to freeze. So, how do you fix this? First, let's check for background apps. Press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open the Task Manager, where you can see all the processes running on your computer. Here, you can end unnecessary tasks by selecting them and clicking End Task. For example, if you have a web browser open with many tabs, it could be taking up a lot of memory. Next, let's check for updates. Head to Settings and click on Windows Update. If there are any pending updates, install them. Sometimes, Windows 11 performs better after installing updates that improve performance and stability. Finally, outdated drivers can be a major factor in slow performance. To fix this, go to Device Manager by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting it. Find your device drivers, right-click and choose Update Driver. It's always a good idea to keep your drivers updated to ensure everything is running smoothly. After doing these steps, restart your system, and you should notice an improvement in performance. Step 2. The blue screen of death, or BSOD, is one of the most dreaded errors on any Windows system. This error typically happens due to hardware issues, corrupt system files, or driver problems. It can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we can fix it. The first thing you should do when you experience a BSOD is to restart your computer in safe mode. To do this, press and hold the Shift key while clicking on Restart from the Power Options menu. Once your computer restarts, you'll be given several options. Select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. Click Restart, and when the options appear again, select Safe Mode. Once in safe mode, try running System Restore to roll back to a point before the error occurred. System Restore is a built-in feature that can undo recent changes to your system, like faulty updates or new drivers. To do this, go to Control Panel, select Recovery, and then open System Restore. Follow the prompts to restore your system to a stable state. If that doesn't work, it could be a driver issue. To fix this, go back to Device Manager and update any outdated drivers. Sometimes, faulty hardware like RAM or hard drives can cause BSOD, so it's worth checking for any hardware issues as well. Step 3. Windows updates are essential for keeping your system secure and up to date, but sometimes, Windows Update fails to install correctly. This can be frustrating, especially when you know your computer needs important updates. If you're stuck with an update error, try these steps. Start by running the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This is a built-in tool that automatically detects and fixes problems with Windows Update. To access it, go to Settings, click on Troubleshoot, then Additional Troubleshooters, and select Windows Update. Let the troubleshooter run, and follow any instructions that appear. If the troubleshooter doesn't solve the problem, you may need to reset the Windows Update components manually. Open Command Prompt as Administrator by searching for it in the Start menu and right-clicking to select Run as Administrator. Type the following commands one by one to reset the update components. netstop wuauserv, netstop bits, netstop cryptsvc, ren %systemroot %softwaredistribution.old, ren %systemroot %system32 /catroot2 catroot2.old. Then restart your system and check for updates again. If this doesn't work, check the Windows Update log for any specific errors and search for solutions online based on the error code. Step 4. Another common issue in Windows 11 is File Explorer freezing or not responding. This can be caused by too many files open at once, corrupted system files, or even third-party software conflicts. The first fix to try is restarting File Explorer. Press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. Look for Windows Explorer, select it, and click Restart. This will refresh the process and often resolve any temporary glitches. If this doesn't work, you can clear the File Explorer history to eliminate any corrupted data. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click on Activity History. Scroll down and click Clear Activity History. You can also disable File Explorer history from this section. Another option is to run the System File Checker tool, which checks for and repairs corrupted system files. To do this, search for Command Prompt in the Start menu, right-click and choose Run as Administrator, and then type the following command: sfc/scano. Let it complete the scan and repair any errors. Step 5. Audio problems can be a huge inconvenience, especially when you're trying to listen to music, watch videos, or join virtual meetings. If you're not hearing any sound, here are a few steps to try. First, check the audio settings. Click the sound icon in the taskbar and make sure the correct playback device is selected. If you're using external speakers or headphones, ensure they're properly connected and working. Next, check the device manager for any issues with your sound drivers. Right-click the Start menu, select Device Manager, and expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. If you see a yellow exclamation mark next to your audio device, right-click it and choose Update Driver. If the issue persists, run the Audio Troubleshooter by going to Settings, then System, and selecting Sound. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot under the Output section. Windows will attempt to identify and fix any audio issues. So there you have it, 5 common Windows 11 errors and how to fix them. I hope these tips helped you get your system back on track. If you're still having problems, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll try to help. Remember to like this video if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Tech Lab for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.